In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size on your Wix website. If you've ever struggled with customizing the text on your Wix site to better suit your branding or readability preferences, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through each step in a clear and easy to understand manner, so by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to adjust font sizes confidently and effectively. First things first, let's navigate to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. Begin by logging into your Wix account and head straight to your site's dashboard. From there, you'll want to click on the button that takes you to the website editor. It might say something like Edit Site or simply Edit, depending on your current view. Once you are in the editor, you'll see your site's layout displayed right in front of you. This is your canvas, where you can make all the necessary changes. Now that you're in the editor, the next step is to select the text you'd like to modify. Just scroll through your page and click directly on the text box that catches your attention. When you click on the text, it should become highlighted or selected, indicating that it's ready for editing. Make sure you're clicking on the right text element, especially if you have multiple text sections on your page. This simple action tells Wix that this is the specific text you want to change. After you've selected the text, it's time to dive into the Edit Text feature. You should notice a small toolbar that pops up alongside your selected text box. It offers a slew of options, but for our purpose, you'll want to click on the Edit Text button. This will open up another panel presenting a variety of formatting options specifically related to the content you've highlighted. Within this Edit Text panel, look for the option that allows you to adjust the font size. It might be labelled as font size followed by PX, which stands for pixels. Here is where you can exercise your creative freedom. Use the up or down arrows to increase or decrease the font size, or if you have a specific size in mind, simply type it in. It's worthwhile to experiment a little to see what works best for your content, balancing aesthetics with readability. Remember, your website's font size is an essential part of your overall design, influencing both its look and user experience. Once you've found the perfect size, be sure to save your changes. You'll want to hit that publish button so your updates are reflected live on your website. And just like that, you've successfully changed the font size on your Wix site. Whether you're aiming for elegance or going for a bold statement, customizing your font size lets you tailor your site to your specific needs and audience better.